Oh, man, good morning, everybody, or good afternoon to most people out there. Let's get this fired up. Uh, I went to sleep, just normal sleep, and I got to know what in the hell you did to the markets because they got destroyed today. Uh, as you'll start to see, those are happy days for me. Market up or down, mole down, right? But before everybody freaks out, let's do a little quick big picture as my Walmart computer maybe explodes, but we're going to push to the limits here. If you follow the dotted line, you can see we're just at the same price we were at in the middle of November. So a quarter gone, and we've got all the alpha we've been creating. It's just a big sideways deal. All right, so we go to the brokerage account. You can see we still sold stocks. So I'll say it every single time I remember is that the stock market does not have to go up for you to make money. And one of the biggest fears when people start the stock market is what happens if the stock market goes down. And as you can see, that is a positive. That is not a negative. Okay. So let's go ahead and get the spreadsheet up to date as I slowly wake up here. We got Reynolds at 24.45. I'm going to try to beat the 8 o'clock deadline, but I'm a little tired and I kind of rushed some of the videos, so I enjoy taking a longer video with you guys every now and again. We'll see how it goes, but I'm not as rushed. Got some time off. We've got the weekend ahead, um, and you can see just normal fill, nothing crazy there. All right, Portland, 44.28. Now keep in mind, 44.28 was actually lower than the first two purchases we did. It just so happens, come on man, still asleep. Just so happens that still put us in profits. Math is a huge market advantage. You can't just blindly buy anything, but uh, with the system and risk management in mind, you can do all right. You can see regular fill made 1%, and the thing went down, down more, way down in profits. So for a little big picture while we have it, let's see if we can pull it up, if the computer will work with me. Come on, Betsy. And you can see the downtrend. And then it caught a bid. Very nice. Little Portland. It took a little bit of time, but it worked. So NE purchase 27.91. We're just updating it. I'll quit rambling here. Eldos 129. We'll call it 79. We'll round it up. And we did. Okay. So that takes our total. Yeah, let's update our total here. We're at 23.32. Getting real close to adding another deposit to our investing account. 32 would be the next awesome number because that means we would double the goal. But you can start to see we still have a full week left in the markets for February on the shortest month of the year, and we are absolutely destroying it. So, got that. So, market's down. Next step of the trading plan. Do you have one? Is it written down? Is it next to you? Are you looking at it right now? Do that. Um, we need to go look at the screener and see if there's any of these positions that we already have. Okay, so let's go there, see where there's opportunity. There wasn't a whole lot this morning when we looked, but I was asleep the whole time, so I don't know what's on here. 17, there's a bunch of them. All right, so we're looking for stuff that we already have. Here's Eldos, which we bought this morning, right? And there's NE. So these are stocks we already had. So they still fit the system. 126.82. Just that simple. It still fits. It's on the list. And that's that. We'll just cancel our sell order here. All right, the thing's moving at a snail's pace, but y'all should be used to it by now. It's frustrating for me because I got other things to do, got other businesses going on, but you know, it'll be all right. There are worse problems to have. Okay, got 2 day trades. This was one we already had in. We're going to go ahead and use this as a round trip order again. Trying to buy 1 shares. We try to keep our position sizing to 1% of the total account. And obviously now we will sell 2. 126.82, closing print. Always limit order, always good till cancel with the extended hours, as you can see. Now we need a sell price. So if you take these two, divide by 2, that'll get you the average. Taking that number times 1.01, that's what sell target I like. Pause the video, do that math for yourself. But I'm going to keep ripping. Okay. Back to the screener. Nothing crazy, right? We had NE here, which is on our list that we already own, so we're definitely going to take care of that. We got to fill. $126.49 on the fill, so we got a little bit of a favorable fill. Very nice, and if it sells on Monday, that will not be a day trade. If you're using the pattern day trading rule as an excuse not to trade, you need to grow up, okay? It's not a big deal. Big dividends, low PEs, no debt. This is a winner. 26.92. We'll just keep plugging along. It's easy, but for some reason, most people are just not interested. But I got tired of not being able to take care of my kids if they needed something. I'm a provider. I'm really not motivated by money in my life, but I like not having to worry about stuff. You work 60 hours a week for a job, but you won't do 10 minutes a day for yourself. So obviously the people watching it, they are. So thank you for watching. But as you talk to your friends and everything, wow, it's just amazing how the average person thinks about money. Alright, I'm going to buy one, sell two, just like we did before. This is a round trip order. It's our last day trade. Everything else will go like lightning, greased lightning. 26.92 on the closing print here. Always a limit order. Always good till cancel with extended hours. Always. So if you add these up, divide by 2, that'll get you your average. Take that number times 1.01. That's the sell target I like. And we'll put the order in. Pause the video. Do the math for yourself. Make sure you do this figuring. You can't just use the numbers that are in there. If you're that lazy. Wow. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, man. All right. We're packed and stacked. We've got EIX, OMC, and US. So let's see if they're on the screen. I don't believe I saw any of them. Which is fine. That's what protects us from continuing to buy what they call a falling knife. No EIX, no OMC, no ENUS. So next step, looking for stocks that are in my universe. Okay, and there are a few on here. If you don't know what I'm talking about, or you don't know how to put stocks in your universe, go to my channel, search universe. There's one video where I go through it in great detail. So, cat, and not the kind of catfishing you're normally used to. Just a little bit too high on the PEs, just barely. So if this thing continues to fall, I'm going to be real excited to take this. Wow, that's a lot. How much money do we have? We got 500 bucks. We can buy whatever we want. Bring on the bottle service. All right. We go through here. Other stocks in my universe. I like Prudential, but it's not in my universe, I don't think. I think it is. Switch it up. I think it is. You can see steady dividends, low PEs, reasonable debts, high debt, but it's reasonable. 109.50 Prudential. Like a rock, or the rock. Like a rock was the frickin' Ford thing, right? Remember, we're out of day trades, so this is just easy, easy, easy. Just finding smart ways to put the money in as a money manager and an owner of multiple businesses. You gotta think about it that way. Limit order good till cancel with the extended, and it's that easy. Bam. All right, back to the screen. Ross is not a store that I like, but it is my universe. It has fantastic money management. PEs are too high. All right, so now that we've done all the universe, next step, we're just going to crank the top of the list and start going down. Dividends, low debt, nice PEs, 1377 American Eagle. And this is a frequent one that we do. And then I like this one too because the share price is close to our weekly deposit. So worst case scenario, we run totally out of money. We can do our normal weekly deposit, and every week or two, pick up another share. You know, staying in the game, keep the movement going. How are we doing on time? We got 23 minutes. We'll be just fine. Now in this scenario, 1% would be $16. This is a $13 stock. Still only going to take one share because 5.2, that would be over our limit. See, limit good till cancel extended hours. let's say it was like $7 a share, I would buy two because that would be under our limits. We're going to start having more of those situations come up as the account continues to grow. And we've got a few positions that are pretty big that are stuck. So as those recover, deposits continue and sales continue to happen for profits, you really see the account start to transform at a more rapid rate. So I'm excited to share that with you. Hopefully you're excited to follow along or to watch and cheer us on. If you're still here, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe and share this with your friends. We're doing it. This was one with the crazy debt, right? These are all the ones we looked at this morning. PEs. Which shows you the market's up. You can see it right here. PE's too high. You add them up and it's over 30, you're just done. So, Louisiana, too high on PEs. Here we go. I want the odds in my favor. That's all it is, man. It still could go down. Northern Oil and Gas here. Got dividends, low PEs. Debt is very high but reasonable. 33 for NOG. And I'm just going to keep going until we're through with the list or I'm out of money. Don't be worried about putting your money in. I know that's a fear for a lot of people. You'll get more. You just go get more. This one here. And you can see how quickly we went from selling everything to putting the money right back in. We're down to 340. Now we're almost through the list, and it's pretty nice to have enough money to go through the entire list. Obviously, in a deeper correction or a deeper move down, we'll have more quality companies hit the list, and the PEs will be lower pretty much across the board. So this is not a deep move yet. But definitely we created a lot of alpha today. Little Corning. Dividend EST is blank, see, so that's out. It doesn't mean they won't pay a dividend. But I don't want any doubt that my cash flow is in jeopardy. None at all. Dividends, PEs are good. Almost no debt at all. 151.54 RFJ. Pretty easy, huh? Pretty easy, man. It's been pretty cool. I've had a few people actually take it and run with it, so that's exciting. I'm living through them a bit. My Listexia hit RFJ. That's RJF in it. RJF, yeah. 151.54. Let's see if we can get in here. Just one share. That's all we want. Limit order, good till cancel with the extended. And just because I work night shift now for temporary purposes, there's 151.16 on the fill. It doesn't mean I can't still do this. It's just different time. I'm still looking at it. And I do think I'm going to be able to get the charity started sooner than expected, but we'll see. I'm having a lot of fun with it. All right. Science application. And I wonder if we're going to run out of money or if we'll run out of a list. Got the dividend. Debt is high, but it's under our limit. It's 4 PEs fit. 97.84 SAIC. My memory's so bad. The computer delay messes with me. I think that's it. 97.84. Yeah. But the fact that it takes longer really messes with me. It's probably good. Probably a sign of dementia. So I'm enjoying it while I got it. No big deal. Just buying one more. 97.84. Limit did still cancel with the extended hours. Picking them up on last call. As the market after hours are slowly coming to an end. At least for this brokerage. Your brokerage may have different hours. SM Energy. PEs are low. Wow. Dividends, almost no debt. 34.35 for SM. There you go. Limit order good till cancel with the extended hours. Let's see if we can pick one up. 60 bucks left. I don't believe we have enough to buy United here. Obviously, everybody's heard of that company. Last one on the list. Does not have a price on here. Yeah. Price $600 a share. Yeah. So that's it. We're broke and couldn't get through the entire list, but it may not have fit the system anyhow. Yeah, we're doing it. We're moving all the money out, all the money back in. We're getting ready to hit 1,700. That'll be so cool to see that. And we're also hitting milestones in the investing account. Believe it or not, in about a week and a half, 2 weeks, we'll be doing statements again. It was a short month. We're killing it over here, So we've got a lot going on. We've got a lot of positions, and that will turn into a lot of dividends as well. So that's what we have for today. Thanks again for watching. Leave me a like on your way out. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not licensed to do anything. You got to make your own decisions, but I think it's hard to figure out where to start when you're thinking about the stock market. And this is a system that works for me. Just sharing it for a little bit of entertainment, maybe some educational value in there mixed in. But this is my journey. Thank you for following along. And good luck on yours, man. Let me know if I can help you down below. Have a great day.